Hello, this is Laurel Nelson-Rowe, Managing Director of ASQ, and I would like to welcome Shawn Fenstermacher, Quality Director, Siemens Industry, and Jennifer Schmitt, Director, Marketing Customer Excellence of Siemens Industry. You're here at ASQ headquarters today. Thank you for coming.
Well, thank you for having us.
We always like to take a chance with our leaders in quality, especially those with our Enterprise Quality Roundtable members, and talk to you about your business, talk to you about the opportunities ahead, and in this instance, wrap up the year. So, for our viewers and for our visitors, can you briefly describe your organization, its areas of business, and how it fits quality within the larger Siemens organization?
In general, the Siemens organization and Siemens as a whole is a European conglomerate. We are one of the world's largest employers. Siemens is comprised of four sectors, and those four sectors include our energy sector, our healthcare sector, our infrastructures and cities sector, which Siemens Building Technologies is a part of, and our industry sector.
Where does the quality organization, how large is it, and where does quality fit within the entire Siemens infrastructure?
We're actually divided in between four different regions throughout the world. And Building Technologies here in the U.S. Is part of our NAM region, which includes North America as well as South America. Siemens' approach to quality is one that quality is the role and responsibility of every employee of Siemens. Obviously, we have centers of competence, and we do have quality organizations within Siemens. As I mentioned, we are a global company, and depending on your customer and your market, you're going to have different demands from a quality aspect. So each region tries to align their organization specific to what those customers' needs are and what the needs are of that business in that specific region.
Okay. Shawn, can you tell us a little bit about the customer base? Who are your customers?
We typically serve the commercial market. So we have anywhere from universities to K through 12, from hospitals, you name it, we probably serve it.
Okay, all right. Your quality leadership roles in your organization, if you could tell us a little bit about them, your roles and responsibilities, and a little bit about your teams, your organizational structure, and especially in your region.
Okay, so within the Americas region, we have about 120 field offices, and geographically we broke them up into different zones. So we have approximately 10 zones within North America. And what we did was we have a quality manager in each of the 10 zones. Okay. So within field quality, we have the quality manager as part of the zone leadership team. And within the zone leadership team, they're the ones that make sure that there's always customer-facing initiatives going on to improve the customer's perception and their experience. We usually measure that success through an NPS score and customer satisfaction survey results. So the quality managers also work with the operations team. So within the operations team, they're usually working with the operations team on initiatives that will drive out our costs through nonconformance, and then also they would work on improving the efficiency of our processes and procedures.
My area of focus and realm of responsibility is within the Customer Excellence Organization. And our Customer Excellence Organization is part of our marketing department. And our organization is unique because it brings both marketing and quality together within one department. And we're really focused on that customer value cycle through understanding from a marketing aspect the landscape of and the perception that we have within the marketplace and understanding what our customer needs are, to creating a good service and offerings and products around that voice of the customer. Additionally to that, we need to ensure that the execution of those offerings as well as the products is done with the utmost quality and most efficient processes. And that's where our corporate quality managers come into play and work with our marketing managers to ensure that we're delivering the most quality that we can from what we've heard from our customers and that we're continuously improving.
2012 is coming to a close. You can reflect back a little bit, but we'd really like you to look at 2013 on a go-forward basis. What are some of the priorities some of the areas of emphasis in the 2013-2014 timeframe for your organizations?
We need to stay competitive within the marketplace. And what I mean by that is that we need to ensure that we continue to deliver quality to our customers, that we're providing an outstanding customer experience, but at the same time internally that we are reducing our cost and removing non-value-added steps to ensure that we're efficient and we stay competitive within the marketplace, ultimately impacting our shareholders. And then at the same time, we want to ensure that we're empowering our employees to deliver an outstanding customer experience. So really from a challenge aspect, that's our challenge that we've
That's
we've
a few
placed.
of them.
It's a few of them, yes it is. It's a few of them, but I think that it's a very important challenge. We need to ensure that we are providing a world-class service to our customers and keeping those loyal customers that we do have, but at the same time we want to make sure that we're reducing our cost internally so we can deliver that value back to our customers and our shareholders alike.
Okay. Shawn, any priorities for 2013 on your plate?
Yes. What we did was we had senior management do a challenge out to all the employees in the company. And really, that challenge consists of all the employees really identifying process steps and processes that should be eliminated within the company. Mm-hmm. And we've given them a tool to be able to do that, and we're also having quality play an active role in that.
How will that help your competitive posture?
We're really looking at leaning out some of the stuff within our organization, especially some of those processes and procedures we had in place in the past for one reason or another, and now maybe it's not as applicable as it used to be in the past. And how can we empower the employees to do a little bit more? Okay.
One of the reasons that you're here is to learn a little bit more about ASQ, its portfolio, and to learn more about the Enterprise Quality Roundtable approach to membership, which we're very proud to welcome you to. What are some of your expectations for that roundtable service and approach and capabilities? Learning from others are serving of you that we need to step up to.
Well, we're very excited about our membership with ASQ and especially being part of the roundtable. Both Shawn and myself view the roundtable as an opportunity to be with other thought leaders throughout the quality discipline and really understand where their challenges are and what they've done to overcome those challenges and learn from a best practice sharing. I think from our experience from Siemens Industry, we have a lot of opportunity and thought to bring to the Voice of the Customer programs. We've done very well there and we've seen great success. However, at the same time, we want to learn from these other thought leaders where we have opportunities for improvement, specifically getting a good culture and some centricity around quality tools. That's been an area that we've struggled from a Siemens Industry aspect. And what I mean by that is, for example, our Six Sigma program, getting better adoption. What has other organizations done? What have they seen and the successes that they've had with their Six Sigma or any type of quality tool or program that's been delivered, and how has that impacted the customer? And how have they communicated those results? Ultimately, from our aspect, is that we're really looking at it from the eyes of our customer. What does our customer see? And how can we translate that value of working on these quality programs, and to Shawn's point earlier, of really leaning out the organization and reducing these non-value added steps and getting not just our quality organization on board with that, but getting every employee on board with the idea of working more efficiently, and how is that going to directly impact our customers. So we're so excited to be with the other thought leaders.
Well, the thought leaders will welcome you in person at the World Conference, at the Executive Roundtable there. We also have a number of programs throughout the year. You're going to learn more about the portfolio of ASQ. If there's one message that you might tell to our chairman, what would it be in terms of ASQ's importance on a go-forward basis?
Well, I think for us it's really leveraging all the insights of our peers within the industry and outside the industry at these roundtables, and understanding where quality fits in going forward and where it may have in the past, and what are some of the changes within that.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
It's November is World Quality Month. You're a global organization, so it's particularly timely that we have you here. Thank you for talking with us today, and we'll be signing off.
All right, thank you.
Thank you for having us.